Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we need to go to our profile on Instagram, and we have to go to the edit profile and just scroll down to find the music option. And here we can click on add music to your profile and pick a song for your profile. You can click on this plus button and you can choose a song or music you want to add to your profile. I'm just going to pick random music from here. I'm just going to select this one guys. Wait, and we can pick the part of the music. You can choose the part of the music that you want to add to your profile. I'm going to select this part, for example. Then once we're done selecting the part, we can click on the check mark and then click on this check mark again to save the music. And then I'm just going to check it on my profile. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the music has been added to my profile, and we will be able to play this music like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can add music to our Instagram profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.